Hello folks, this is Moss Scheurkogel from Intersection Winery. I wanted to do a little dinner tonight. I wanted to do a particular combination that would go well with the 2016 Intersection Riesling that I am so notoriously fond of. And it just so happened by pure coincidence that a Jamie Oliver recipe came out this morning on his YouTube channel, which used two keywords that were really critical for me, and they were prawns and fennel. So what we have here to go with the Riesling is prawn skewers. I've got fantastic big jumbo prawns there. I'm now on Vancouver Island, which means that that seafood is readily available. So I've got prawns, and I have wrapped the prawns with bacon. So I have bacon-wrapped prawns, and on the prawns I have done a marinade, which is fennel with lemon juice and with olive oil and with just a little bit of spice, just a little bit of chopped red pepper. And I'm particularly excited about this in combination. Just a second there, pal. I'm just recording a video for Intersection.
On fire.
Yes, I know. That's just Daddy cooking. Don't you worry about it. So why I'm particularly excited about using prawns with the Riesling is because Riesling, of course, has naturally high acid. It has a crisp, clean acidity that really allows it to cut through any of the fattiness that you would normally find in seafood, things like scallops, things like salmon, and things like prawns. The other reason that I liked this particular recipe is because it uses fennel, and fennel is a beautifully aromatic herb. And this right here is a beautifully aromatic wine. The natural petrol characteristics of Riesling are enhanced and encouraged by the aromas of fennel. So they make for a really beautiful pairing. And to go along with the prawns, we have a magnificent... this is a watermelon feta fennel salad. So we've got watermelon, we've got red onion, we've got feta cheese, we've got cucumber, and we have shaved fennel bulb. So you use the green of the fennel to create the marinade for the prawns. Those are just about done there. And then you use the bulb to go into the salad. And so there you have a magnificent combination of foods, beautiful sort of light summery fare to go together with a beautiful light summery wine. This is an incredibly versatile pairing wine, the Riesling, and this is just a great combo of foods to go with it. So from Intersection Winery on Vancouver Island, this is Moss Scheurkogel signing off. Cheers.